Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Chilli from Bluey. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off near the top and let's draw an oval for the first eye. And then another one inside. And color it in black. Now next to this eye, let's draw a line out to the right side. Then let's curve it down. Bring it in and up. And then add a small curve at the end. Now inside the snout, let's add the nose. At the top, let's draw a curve down on an angle. And back up. And then add an oval inside at the top. Now top over to the left and let's draw a curve down. Bring it in. And up. Now that we're done the snout and the mouth, let's add the other eye. On top, let's add a curve up and down. And then add a small oval inside at the bottom. And color this one in black. Now that we're done the eyes, let's hop on top and draw the eyebrows. Let's start with a curve up on top of each eye. Then let's curve it around on top. And that's it for the face. Now let's start to draw the shape of the body. Let's start with a line across in between the eyebrows. And then let's bring it down on the right side. And then continue it with a long line down underneath. Now let's hop back up to the top and let's draw a line out and curve it down. And again, let's bring it all the way down on the left. Now let's hop on top and draw the ears. Let's start with a line up. And angle it back down on the left. And let's do the same thing on the right side here. And now let's hop inside each ear and let's do the same thing. And that's it for the ears. Now let's hop down and let's draw the arm. On the left, let's draw a line down and another one next to it. Now let's add a bump over for the thumb. 2 bumps underneath. And then 1 more up to close off the hand. And then add a curve across inside the arm. And that's it for the arm. Now let's finish off the bottom of the body. From the left line, let's curve it in. And curve it in on the right side as well. and close it off with a line across. Now that we have the shape of the body, let's move in and let's draw some details. We'll start at the top and let's draw 2 curves down from the top of the head. Then on the left, next to the mouth, let's draw a curve across. And then add some angled lines in the top left section here. Now let's hop down and let's draw 2 bumps along the left side. And then an oval. And another one on top of the arm. Now to add the belly patch, let's draw a curve across. And bring it down. And that's it for the main part of the body. Now underneath, let's draw the legs. Underneath the hand, let's draw a line down and a shorter line next to it. And let's draw a bump down at the bottom and curve it back in for the foot. Now let's draw the other leg in the same way. Let's start with a line down, a shorter line next to it, curve it out, and back in. And now inside each leg, let's draw a curve across. And then 2 bumps at the bottom for the toes. And that's it for the legs. Lastly, let's add the tail. On the bottom left, let's draw an angle out and curve it in at the end. Now 2 more bumps. And then 1 more, bringing it back in. Now inside the tail, let's draw 2 curves along the top. And a circle underneath. And that's it for Chilli. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!